Don't download Looker Enterprise Marketing Hub app before watching this. Most people get this wrong when they install Looker. They assume it works like a drag and drop dashboard tool. But Looker is different, and that difference is exactly why so many marketing teams either love it or abandon it. Looker runs on something called LookML, a modeling layer that defines how your data behaves. You won't believe how big of a shift this is. Instead of every marketer building their own version of a report, Looker standardizes logic so every dashboard pulls from the same definitions. If customer acquisition cost is defined once, it stays consistent across the entire company. That alone solves years of spreadsheet chaos. The surprising truth is that Looker is incredibly powerful for enterprise brands with complex funnels. For example, a team running dozens of campaigns across paid search, social, email automation, and affiliate channels can build unified views that track attribution cleanly. No more guessing which platform inflated numbers or counted conversions twice. But here's what people underestimate. Looker requires setup time. You need clean data sources and someone who understands LookML. Without that, the platform can feel overwhelming. This is where many teams go wrong. They expect plug-and-play simplicity. Another essential feature is Looker's embedded analytics. Imagine giving your sales team a live campaign dashboard right inside your CRM, or letting your content team see performance directly inside their workflow. Looker makes this possible without needing separate logins. Looker's alerting system is another hidden gem. You can trigger alerts when CTR drops, when cost per lead spikes, or when revenue crosses a target. Most people never turn this on, but it can save you from major budget waste. Before you download Looker, ask yourself, do you want deep governance, team-wide consistency, and scalable analytics? Or do you want quick drag and drop dashboards? If it's the second one, Looker may feel like too much. But if you want a long-term enterprise marketing intelligence hub, Looker is one of the strongest platforms you can choose. If this helped you understand what Looker really offers, hit subscribe for more deep dives before you download anything.